Okay, so here, this vlogger is right now. She is introducing herself, and she is an elementary school teacher and also a tech coach in her school. Today, I chose to review this vlogger because I found that she has a really great tool for teachers. This one is called this vlog to me is best free tools for teachers, EdTech made easy classroom screen tutorial. And she did a very good tutorial on how to use this application or this website for your classroom. So let's continue. Alright, let's go. So here is the website, classroomscreen.com. And she said that you should access this through Google Chrome. It is the best way to do it, basically. And so basically, she just try to project the stuff on the whiteboard or screen that you have, and there's different language tools and also different backgrounds as well to use with it. So this is really good. Okay, so one of the first things she started talking about is the different name generators, and I thought this would be awesome in the classroom because many times, at least in my school, we have to people do like rock, scissors, paper to choose who gets to go next, or maybe first person to stand up, first person to dance, first person to sing, something like this. And so this would be another way, another method to choose students to read or to answer questions. So I thought that was really cool. So she's on how you can like download this, and then you don't have to keep typing the names in every time. So that's good. So now she's talking about is like another way to like choose names, but I thought this would use big games. And so it's like a dice widget, and you can choose like one die, two dice, three dice, and click it, and then it can automatically generate a number. And so I thought this could be useful for when maybe you're playing a game in the classroom and like they have to move a certain amount of spaces, and this could be an opportunity to use it like that, maybe if that's something that you like. Next, okay, so next thing is the volume sensitivity, which is really good for the class because in the classroom sometimes the kids get really noisy, loud, and so if they have this visual thing on their screen, they can say, "Oh, I'm getting a little bit loud, and so I should be a little bit quiet." And so sometimes they couldn't tell this easily, but using this tool, I think would be helpful for them. Next thing they talked about was this QR code, and I thought that was awesome because you're able to, if you're using some website, the kids can use their phones, click on it, and open up the website instead of having to type in the website URL, which is really it's difficult, of course, especially when kids are learning a second language or learning in a second language. So that's the difficult part. So now she's talking about the whiteboard, and I thought this was excellent because they can also have like line paper or grid papers, and this is really great because I think they're able to practice like writing, and you can do this all from the board. The difficult thing is with using the mouse because you can't really do it perfectly, and I don't have any of that smart board in my class or something like that, and so it's a bit difficult in that sense. The next is going to go over like you can hit directions, like just some tests that kids need to do with a timer on it, and so that's helpful. And there's also like different, oh, this group should be silent. You should whisper. You should with work together with your team. And so that was pretty cool. The next widget that I really enjoyed was this like stoplight widget, which you tell like with colors. Oh, this is red. The teacher's busy. I shouldn't bother the teacher at this time. Oh, it's green. Okay, I can come and ask them questions if I like. And so I really enjoyed that one. And the final thing I talked about was an exit poll, which I don't think I could use in my classroom, but I think it would be something to help the teacher to realize, oh, this was a good lesson, and I really enjoyed teaching it to them. The kids enjoyed it, so I can continue like that. So thank you very much for listening to my vlog. Bye bye.